See, in the continuation of the same admission of a partner, that is the ninth problem, page number 40. Anil and Sunil are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2016 as follows. Bills payable 16,000, sundry creditors 5,000, reserve fund 9,000, capitals Anil 60,000, Sunil 50,000, totally 1,10,000. Overall liability side total is 1,40,000. Cash 4,000, sundry creditors 30,000, stock 32,000, furniture 8,000, buildings 56,000, motor car 10,000. On 1/4/2016, they admit Vimal for 1/4 share in the future profits. He should bring cash for capital rupees 40,000 and rupees 30,000 as goodwill. Half of the goodwill is withdrawn by old partners. Buildings are revalued at rupees 66,000. Say compare 56,000 opening building value is there. Now it is increased to the extent of 10,000. Make provision for legal charges 700. Legal charges, court charges we have to pay. Stock and motor car depreciated by 10% per annum. Make provision on returns at 5% per annum. Prepare the revaluations. Particulars rupees particulars rupees. In the continuation of the same, here half of the goodwill is there and legal charges and additional adjustment and motor car is one more asset. The rest of the things are quite common. So here half of the goodwill is there. Building are revalued at rupees 66,000. By buildings, say present value is 66,000 minus old value. Opening value that is directly 10,000 is there. 10,000 is the income to the firm. And legal charges, outstanding legal charges. Outstanding legal charges, directly write 700. And motor car stock to stock account. See, stock is 32,000 into 10 by 100, 3,200 to motor car same 10,000 into 10 by 100 1,000 and make provision for debtors here 30,000 is there into 5 by 100 1,500. So on the credit side is 10,000, on the debit side is 5. 6,600. 6,000. 6,400 is there. So to partners capital account, Anil, Sunil, 3,600 into 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. 2:1 is the ratio. Ratio is 2:1. So 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 2,400, 1,200, overall 3,600. Transfer. See our partners capital account. So now buy balance brought down. Buy balance brought down, that is 60,000, 50,000. By cash account, 40,000 brought into the newly admitted partner, that is brought into the newly admitted partner in the form of capital. By goodwill account, 30,000 into 2:1, 30,000 into 2 by 3, 30,000 into 1 by 3, that is 20,000, 10,000. By revaluation account, 2,400, 1,200. By reserve fund, that is 9,000 in 2:1, 6,000, 3,000. So half of the goodwill is withdrawn to goodwill account. 30,000 into half, that is 15,000 in 2:1. 15,000 in 2:1, that is 10,000, 5,000. Right here transfer here 88,400. Here 50, 60, 64,200, 64,200, 40,000. Here no adjustments. To balance carried down, 40,000 as usual. No adjustment should be deducted here. Here 59,200, 64,200 minus 5,000, 59,200, 88,400 minus 10,000, 78,400. So here 88,400, 64,200 and 40,000. Right here transfer. If you are not ready to write transfer, you should brought down on the credit side. Buy balance brought down, and you have to record all the capital balances once again. Now balance sheet. See, cash is there. Cash 4,000. Add capital plus goodwill, that is 70,000. Total is 74,000. 15,000, 59,000. Next, coming to the debtors, sundry debtors. Here 30,000 is there. 30,000 minus PDD at 5%, 1,500, 28,500. Next, stock. Stock 32,000 less 10%, 3,200, 800, 28,800. Next, furniture, no adjustment. Directly 8,000. Furniture 8,000. Next, buildings. Opening value 56,000 plus 10,000. Revaluation 66,000. Next is the motor car. Motor car 10,000 is there, minus depreciation 1,000, totally 9,000. Like this. Bills payable. 16,000. Sundry creditors 5,000. Outstanding legal charges. 700. Capitals Anil, Sunil, Bimal 78,400, 59,600, 200, 40,000. So 600, 7, carry 1,77,600. $300, carry 30, 90, carry 9, 1,99,300. Here also 300, carry 10, 24, 32, 40, 49,000, 4, 10 plus 9, 99,300. 99,300.